Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G72 and let me show you how to change the keyboard language of this device. So at first open your messages or any other area where you can input some text, click on Start Chat, and here you can notice the current language of yours. Then to change it, all you have to do is to click on Settings icon, go to Languages, click on Add Keyboard, and then just select the language that you wish to apply. Okay, so actually this change will not be visible. Let me find some language with different letters. It's still the same, so let's pick, for example, Hebrew. Tap on Done, then remove unnecessary language, and as you can see, you've got a brand new keyboard language. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.